Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the Superliner premium accessory for Tesla Model Y floor mats. So this is the ultimate brand dedicated to craftsman premium upgrade kits to replace your original floor mats. This is not only transform the aesthetic looks of your floor mats and gives you more protection and more value to resell your car in the future. So yeah, be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. And if there's a coupon box, make sure you click on it before you check out. And I would like to give a shout out to Evelyn from their marketing team for sending me this. So yeah, let's go and then unbox it and show you guys the product. By the way, this is the 5-seater. They also have for Tesla Model 3. Wow, this one has a Fronk and then a cargo floor mats. Look at that, very nice design. So this is for like rainproof, waterproof, mud-proof, dirt-proof. So if you get this thing dirty, it's very easy to use the water to hose it off. So yeah, this is made of TPE material. ASMR, yes, nice. And this one has a different pattern. So this one has a dimple dot, so stick it onto your existing carpet. And this must be the driver's side. So yeah, let's go and then test on the vehicle. Alright, so we are going to install it on this Model Y. Wow, look at the Fronk. Look at that, what a transformation. Look at that. Snowproof, mudproof, waterproof, dirtproof. Perfect fit. Wow, look at the fit. Very nice.
Trời ơi, man, cái thằng mó, cái thằng mó. What are you doing? You filming something? Huh?
Oh, you're filming the format.
Oh, okay. Format? Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, MACDADDY. Oh damn, dude, I like it. The front too.
Yeah. So the other line goes in here. Very nice. Let's go and then check it out. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.